Big things are happening in Phoenix. And if you're in real estate, investing, or just thinking about buying a home, you'll need to hear this. TSMC, Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company, is pouring billions into semiconductor manufacturing, bringing thousands of jobs and fueling real estate. So what does that mean for you? Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, let's break it down. TSMC's massive investment. TSMC is spending a whopping $65 billion to build some of the most advanced chip factories in the world, right here in Phoenix. These chips power everything from smartphones to electric vehicles, and TSMC's expansion is turning the city into a tech hub. That means high-paying jobs, more businesses moving in, and skyrocketing demands for housing. It's not just TSMC. Companies supporting this industry, supplier, logistics, and even retail are setting up shop here, fueling even more growth. Right next to TSMC, developers are building Halo Vista, which is a huge 2,300-acre community designed to support this new wave of workers and businesses. Here's what's coming. First, high-tech research and manufacturing centers bringing even more jobs. Second, thousands of brand new homes, from single family to apartments. Third, shopping centers, restaurants, and entertainment options. And they were kind of pitching this as like a Kierland Commons area. So if you've ever been there, think of that. Fourth, an auto mall. This isn't just another subdivision. It's an entire new city within the city, and it's going to be a hotspot for real estate opportunities. Phoenix's rapid growth means demand for housing is increasing. Investors recently snatched up 1,000 acres near Loop 303 in Surprise, Arizona, to build 2,500 brand new homes. Why? Because as jobs flood into Phoenix, people need affordable places to live. In this area, primed to absorb the demand. If you're looking to smart buy before prices climb even higher, this could be your moment. Let's talk strategy. How do smart investors make money in Phoenix real estate? A proven method that's been going on forever is buying on the outskirts and waiting for the city to grow around you. Here's how it works. First, you got to buy property in areas that are just starting to develop, like the area around the TSMC. Next, wait 5 to 7 years as new businesses, schools, and roads come in. Then sell when demand is high and home values have skyrocketed, and then rinse and repeat. This strategy has been a goldmine for Phoenix in decades. And right now, we're seeing the next big wave of expansion. So what does this mean to you as a home buyer? More homes are coming, but prices are rising. So if you want in, sooner is better. For investors, Phoenix is on fire right now. Rental demand is climbing and long-term appreciation looks super strong. Realtors, this is your chance to connect with buyers and with growing communities and new opportunities, so dig in. The real estate landscape is shifting super fast. The winners will be the ones who take action early, which is now. Phoenix is changing in a big way. This is just the beginning. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and make smart real estate moves, you know what to do. Like this video, it helps spread the word. Subscribe for more real estate insights and market updates and to learn about mortgage. And comment below, are you planning to buy, sell, or invest in Phoenix real estate? The future is happening now, so get in while you can.